Welcome to the video walkthrough for creating an escape room using Google Suite. This is video number 3 in this series of 7 videos. In this video, we will learn how to set up the escape scene using Google Slides. Similar to the previous video, please make a copy of the Google Slide escape scene. Same thing, the link which I've given, paste it in your browser. You will open up to this page. So for the purpose of this video, we will use this particular Google Slide, LIL Group 1. So same thing, right click, make a copy. And once it is done, open it in the file location which is provided here. So this is your Google Drive. Okay, the escape scene is designed to match the theme of your activity. So you should customize this series of slides to your own needs, right? I will give a quick breakdown of the different components here. So first things first, you see there's a countdown timer here. This countdown timer is in fact a YouTube video that counts down and auto plays when the slide is loaded. The music can be set to autoplay when the slide is loaded as well. Again, you are free to insert your own music. The instructions basically outline how you want your different teams to go through the puzzle, and this is the puzzle itself, right? So if you remember in video number 1, there were various touch points that were inserted into the escape scene. So they are basically over here, and some other spots here. So how do we do this? So each escape point is essentially a hyperlink to the Google spreadsheet puzzle, which I will go through the next video. So to insert this is simply a matter of inserting a shape. So in this case, I've chosen a circle, laying it over the spot that you want, right? And then once your Google sheet is done, you will insert this as a link, as a hyperlink here, and clicking on this shape will bring you to that Google Sheet puzzle. Okay, and to make it invisible, it's just about making the fill. So you fill this as transparent, and then you change the border. You change the border to transparent as well, and it gives you this. So if I were to bring one of the circles back, it looks like this. So this is the original circle over here, as you can see, right? So it helps you if you were to make a copy of the page first. So you notice this slide number 3 here is an exact duplicate of the first slide before the touch points were made colorless. So at least it gives you a reference point as to where the touch points originally were, just in case you forget, right? Yep, so this is effectively it. You set up your slide, put in the timer. You can go to YouTube to search for the relevant timings that you need. There's 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, so on and so forth. Type in your instructions. If you need help, it's the same thing. Insert a picture of a need or word. Add a hyperlink. Add the link to this. So over here, so add the link here, and the link will bring you to a new page, or in my case, it opens up an image, because the image seems to load much faster, and it doesn't bring you out of the actual site when you are playing the game. Because bringing you out of the actual site will restart the timer, because the slide will reload again. So loading an image loads the image on top of the site, which does not disrupt the running of the timer. Okay, then you put your picture in, you set up your hidden touch points, and you hide them by making them colorless. So each touch point will bring you to a different puzzle, right? Each touch point brings you to a different puzzle. Once you have set up one main escape scene, you can simply duplicate this to create more escape scenes for different groups by using this make a copy entire presentation function, right? You will need to change the hyperlinks for each new group though, because if you do not, it will bring you to back to the same puzzle used by the same group. So notice in this case, this puzzle is called group 1 clue 3. So for group 2, it will be group 2 clue 3's hyperlink. It's a different hyperlink, but of the exact same puzzle. Again, I will run through with you in the next video on how to create this puzzle and how to duplicate this very quickly. Alright, so that's all for this video.